In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to effectively communicate within your projects is vital. So let's dive right in and explore the steps necessary to create a message in Basecamp. First things first, you'll need to open up the project where you'd like to post your message. Once you're inside your chosen project, head over to the Message Board tool. This is where all the communication magic happens. You'll see the option to create a new message. Simply click on the plus new message button to get started. Now let's talk about composing your message. Basecamp offers a variety of options to make your communication clear and engaging. You can format your text, which is especially useful for highlighting important points or organizing your thoughts coherently. If you need visual aids, consider embedding images directly into your message. Additionally, attachments can be incredibly helpful for sharing documents or relevant files. Don't forget about categories, which can help in organizing your messages and making it easier for team members to find specific topics later on. Once your message is ready, it's time to decide who should be notified. Basecamp offers several options to tailor your notification preferences. You can make sure that only project members receive your message, ensuring that it stays within your project team. Alternatively, if your message is relevant to a broader audience, you can notify everyone with project access. For more targeted communication, you might choose to notify specific individuals only. And if your message doesn't require immediate attention, you can choose to notify no one at all. This flexibility allows you to communicate effectively based on the needs of your project and team. If timing is an important factor for your message, Basecamp has you covered with the ability to schedule your post. By clicking the clock icon, you can set a specific date and time for your message to go live. Scheduled posts are conveniently saved as drafts until your chosen moment, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to strategize your communication timetable efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to create and manage posts in Basecamp with ease. With clear communication being a cornerstone of successful projects, honing skills like these can make a notable difference in how your team collaborates. So go ahead and try posting a message in your project today and experience firsthand the benefits of effective project communication on Basecamp.